In order to finally complete your argument paragraph with self-evaluation, you will need to make a copy of the document located in this Google site. Once you've clicked the link, please click Make a Copy. The first thing you need to do is delete the words copy of and put your name, first name, and last name at the top of this screen and the file name. Then again, here you need to put both your first name and last name and your homeroom teacher's name here. The directions say, type your argument paragraph in the space provided below. Once you have finished typing, use the highlight tool to highlight essential parts of your paragraph and the comment feature to label essential parts of your paragraph. All highlighters will be from the second row in the highlighter tool menu. So this graphic right here shows you the second row. And if you look here where it says highlight color, this second row here is where all of the colors will come from. So in this space here where it says your argument paragraph, you're going to type the paragraph. You don't need to indent, you just need to start typing. Once you've finished typing, then you're going to highlight and comment on some essential parts of your paragraph. In order to see how your paragraph will be graded, you can look at the rubric for teacher evaluation. The outstanding column is the column that you are looking to be in for the majority of the things on this rubric. So you'll be graded on what your paragraph is like overall, on your paragraph's introduction, on your argument, on the opposing viewpoint and counter argument that you present, on the conclusion, on the conventions, which is things like spelling, grammar, punctuation, and language usage, and on your self-evaluation, which is completing all of the required highlighting and commenting tasks. The paragraph itself is going to be worth a total of 70 points. When you submit your paragraph, you want to make sure that you've first gone up to the Share button, and where it says Get Shareable Link, make sure that anyone with the link can edit this so that your teacher can make comments, suggestions, and fill in the rubric. Once you've done that, click Done. In order to submit the assignment, you will need to go to the Google form. In the Google form, you will first put your email address, which is your Gmail address. It reminds you to make sure that the permissions for your argument paragraph with Self-Eval are set to anyone with the link can edit, and there's a picture here to remind you of what that looks like. Below, you need to upload your argument paragraph with Self-Eval. You'll click the Add File button, go to My Drive, and then you will find your particular assignment. Click Select. You'll see that it's here. Click the button to ensure that you're not a robot, and then click the Submit button. If you would like a tutorial on how to do this, you can continue watching. If you're good to go and you've got this, go ahead and pause the video and get started. So the first thing that I need to do is type my argument paragraph. I already have my outline completed, so I'm just going to type what's in my outline in my paragraph. I'm going to make sure that I'm using complete sentences with capitalization at the beginning of the sentences and punctuation at the ends. Now that I'm done with all that typing, I need to go back to my directions. My directions say, once you finish typing, use the highlight tool to highlight essential parts of your paragraph and the comment feature to label essential parts of your paragraph. All highlighters will be from the second row in the highlighter tool menu. It says to highlight my introduction in light yellow 3. So my outline could be helpful in this process. So I know that my introduction is this sentence that starts with some people and ends with the word being interviewed. So if I go back to my essay, I can highlight my introduction in light yellow 3. It also tells me to use my comment tool to label my thesis statement thesis. So my thesis statement is here. Although there is controversy surrounding the issue, students definitely belong at the table when new teachers are being interviewed. So I will click the Add a Comment button and label that thesis. Then it says I need to highlight my argument and support in light green. So I have that here, light green 3. Now it says that I need to, using the comment tool, label the sentence that states your position on the topic as position. So that's this sentence here. So notice all of these things that are in these directions here are the same things that are already in my outline. So if I'm having trouble identifying those things, I can go back to my outline and use that to help me. So now that I have highlighted my introduction, labeled my thesis statement, highlighted my argument and support, labeled my position statement within my argument, highlighted my opposing viewpoint and counterargument, labeled my statement for the opposing viewpoint, highlighted my conclusion, and commented to label my restated thesis, I should now go over the rubric to make sure that my grade is what I think it's going to be. Once I've gone over my rubric, then I need to go ahead and submit my argument paragraph. So first, I need to put in my email address. Then I need to go back and make sure that I have set my permissions correctly. Anyone with the link can edit. Done. And then I need to upload my argument paragraph with my self-evaluation. So I need to click Add File, go to My Drive, find my file, click Select, verify that I'm not a robot, and click the Submit button.